Most people think Lucifer is just another name for Satan. But is it? The name Lucifer only appears once in the Bible. Isaiah chapter 14, verse 12. But here's the twist. It was about the human king, not the devil. Lucifer was a Latin word meaning morning star, used for Venus, not Satan. Later, people confuse it with the devil's fall, and the myth stuck. So no, Lucifer wasn't Satan's name, just a mistranslation that was viral for centuries. Myth busted. Follow for more truth you didn't learn in Sunday school.